Hi! In front of me is Nubia Red Magic 6R, and today I would like to show you how you can operate a voice recorder on this Nubia device. You need to begin by finding Tools folder and accessing Recorder app. Then select Agree and Allow in the pop-ups. I already did that, so I can start my recording right away by clicking on this red button. If you wish to pause it or unpause it, use the same one. In order to add a bookmark, you need to unpause it and click on this flag icon. And in order to end it and save it, you need to stop it and click on the track mark. Now you can rename your recording however you wish to and select Delete if you wish to discard it, or select Save in order to save it. Now to access your recording, you need to click on those three lines over here on the right, and in order to play it, you need to tap on it. Now, in order to delete it, go back, hold it, select Delete icon over here, and confirm your choice by choosing Delete File. If you want to, you can always go back, click on this gear icon as well over here, and pick quality of your recordings by choosing Select Recording Quality and tapping on the best option for you. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!